Well, good morning. How you doing? It's Dan, Total Restoration Services. Hey, let's go take a look on how to correctly install an egress window. Let's go.
Installing an egress window is a crucial step for ensuring the safety, functionality, and compliance of a basement living space. In Wisconsin, like many other states, there are specific building codes and regulations to follow. This guide provides a comprehensive step-by-step approach to installing an egress window in a cylinder block basement wall, including the preparation, the excavation, cutting through the wall, the framing, installation, and of course the finishing touches. The entire process requires careful planning, the right tools, and adherence to all safety protocols. So the tools that you're going to need are going to be a shovel, a pickaxe, a wheelbarrow, measuring tape, a level, circular saw with a masonry blade, a reciprocating saw, a hammer drill with masonry bits, concrete saw, a pry bar, screwdriver, caulk gun, utility knife, and an excavator for larger excavations. The materials you're going to need are going to be the egress window kit, which includes or should include the window, the well, the cover, and the escape ladder. Pressure treated wood for framing, if required in your area. Concrete blocks and mortar, if needed. Waterproof membrane or sealant. Insulation foam. Gravel for backfilling. Topsoil. Grass seed. Mulch or stone if you guys are replacing existing landscaping. So planning is very important. Check your local building codes. Before starting, consult local building codes and regulations in Wisconsin. Egress windows must meet specific size and operational criteria to be considered legal emergency exits. Make sure all utility lines, including water, electrical, cable, and gas lines, have been marked properly. Make sure you mark the area. Identify where the egress window will be installed. Mark the outside area where you will dig the window well, ensuring it aligns properly with the interior location. Remove landscaping if necessary. Remove any mulch, stone, or plants from the area where you will be digging. Use a shovel to clear the proper layer, ensuring you will not damage any underground utilities. When digging the window well, the well should be at least 3 feet wide and extend 8 to 10 inches below the bottom of the window to allow for drainage. Use a backhoe for larger areas, or what we call an excavator, or a shovel for smaller projects to be more precise when digging, or you can use both. The depth of the hole should correspond to the bottom of the window plus an additional 8 to 10 inches for gravel to ensure proper drainage. The width should be about 3 feet to provide enough space for the window well installation and future maintenance. Inside the basement, measure and mark the desired window opening on the cinder block wall. Use a level to ensure the lines are straight and even. You will need to remove any drywall, old framing, wire, and any other conduit from inside the home where the hole is being cut. Be careful. Wear safety goggles, gloves, and a dust recommended mask for the type of block you are cutting. Score the outline with a circular saw fitted with a masonry blade. This will help guide the larger cuts and reduce chipping. Use a concrete saw to make the initial cuts along the scored lines. Make sure to cut on both the interior and exterior sides of the wall for a clean break. Remember, there is no rush. Cutting brick takes time, so be safe and take breaks as needed. Complete the cut using a hammer drill to remove the remaining block sections. A reciprocating saw can also be used to finish cutting through any remaining sections. Now let's get your frame built. Construct a wooden frame using pressure-treated lumber if required. If not, a standard 2x4 inch wood piece will work. Make sure the frame is square. It's best to pre-build this and then install the shims. Ensure the frame fits snugly into the wall opening. Secure the frame to the cinder block wall using masonry screws and anchors. Then place the window into the frame to ensure it fits properly. Adjust as necessary. Apply a waterproof membrane or sealant around the edges of the frame to prevent water infiltration. Ensure all gaps and joints are sealed tight. Place the window into the frame and secure it using screws provided with the window kit. Check that the window operates smoothly and is level and square before screwing it in. Use foam insulation to fill any gaps between the window frame and the cinder block wall. Ensure there are no gaps or cracks that could allow air or moisture to penetrate the building. Next, outside, place the window well against the house, assuring it aligns with the bottom of the window. The well should extend at least 4 to 6 inches above the ground level to prevent water from entering. Attach the window well to the foundation using the hardware provided in the kit. Fill the bottom of the well with gravel to a depth of 8 to 10 inches, and that may vary, to ensure proper drainage of water. Backfill around the window well with soil, compacting it as you go to prevent settling as the seasons progress. And finally, restore the landscape. Seed any damaged areas and cover with straw to protect the seed while it germinates. Keep the window well clear of debris to ensure proper drainage. Make sure everything is cleaned up and the area is safe before you mark the job completed. Thanks again for watching, and remember, call me for all your exterior and interior home and business remodeling needs. My name is Dan. I'll see you somewhere.